Hi, I'm Skylar. I'd like to show you how to put your iPhone in restore mode. This is often called recovery mode in the literature from Apple, so that's its official name. Okay, so I've got iTunes open on my computer and my iPhone in front of me, connected to the computer with the USB cable. So now, if I press my power button, I can see that it's on. What you're going to do is hold both the power button and the home button together until the screen goes black. Then let go of the power button while continuing to hold the home button. I'll do this now so you can see what happens on screen. So I'm holding the two down together and I'm looking at my screen so that I can see when it goes black. Okay, now let go of the power button, but continue to hold the home button. Keep on holding it. And in a second, there we go. So this is the message you should see in iTunes. iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore this iPhone before it can be used with iTunes. Click OK, and then click Restore iPhone. There you have it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.